31, 25, 30. We might have a quarter here. It might be, I can't really say. Those pennies are a little bit sneaky. It's getting windy. I mean, it's been windy. I'm trying to watch out for the trees. Hopefully they stay up. I did cut some of the roots though. This is a perfect time for them to get back at me. But I am cleaning up their roots as well. Okay, there's that. It looks like a piece of a bicycle seat frame, or like a bicycle light frame or something like that, I would say. Broke. Makes sense. Lots of bicycles come riding through here. Shout out to all the bicycles. But not the people riding the bicycle. No, I'm just kidding. Shout out to everyone. All right, let's get it. 1920, is it the other earring? It's probably the other penny. What other penny? Another penny? All right, let's get it then. That looks, I'm not gonna lie, from what I'm seeing on the side here, I mean, I'm gonna try to get myself juiced or anyone, but it's probably nothing, but I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing. It's like something sticking out right there. I don't think it could be anything. It could be, but it's, oh, I don't know. Now you can't make noises like that. I'm feeling like keychain or something. That could be some type of ring action. It's probably just a ring pull. This ain't right. It's probably a big ring pull. Let's try to knock the whole thing out. That's not right. What is it and where did it go? We lost it now. We had a good thing going there, didn't we? Mike, you messed everything up. Well, there's that. I don't think that was it. I don't think that was it. Yeah, I don't think this big bolt was it, but we got that. Get off of me. All right. Is there a ring here? What was that? Where did it go? What? No. Come on now. I saw something that looked like something. Didn't we all see that? Ah. And it blows away in the wind. It looked good though, didn't it? Alright. It was a little thin though. That's what I was thinking, like key ring, but you never know. There's some thin gold rings out there. Alright, well, we got a bolt too. I think maybe this way might have better results. 19. Right. Now we're getting closer. Getting closer to nothing probably. Oh wow. Key spill. Yeah. Key spill. That one's a security key. Okay. Looks like someone lost their keys a long time ago. We do have one security key. We have I'm not gonna lie, is this for here? I don't know about that. I'm about to go check in some doors around here. Oh wow, it says men's. No way. Does it? No, it doesn't. I was gonna say I found the key to the bathroom. Like George. Seinfeld. V1NS on that Slage. Gal. Oh, which one of these? It says it's unlawful to duplicate these keys. Okay. Special. That's what I'm talking about. We're finally, the city is finally recognizing us. This one's a deco. Restricted, do not duplicate. Oh, Berkeley, California, rec security. Okay. We got a legit set of keys here. We're gonna have to go trying to unlock some of these things. Was not about to give up on that or something? I feel like I was, maybe. I don't know. But there's the keys for the people. Yeah. Spread. Show them keys. You know what I'm saying? There they go. Baby, give me the keys. Give me the G's. Give me the Mac 10. Baby, let me get the keys to the Rover truck. All right, keys to the city. We got it. Mike, I'm out here. Yeah. Everyone loves a good key spill. I don't know if you could really call that. I mean, yeah, you could call that a key spill, but it wasn't like picking up one at a time. Three, four, right next to it. What is it? Maybe a keychain? Oh, good guess, maybe. Oh no, just foil. Back to reality. It's gold foil. It's a gold nugget. There we go. See? See what? Who are you talking to? I'm talking to y'all. But why? We already knew. You're talking to you. I am. That's true. See, Mike? Keep on trying. You might find some keys that someone lost like 25 years ago. It's getting a little cold. Don't complain if you're in another state. I could still get cold even though you're colder. But that's really there. 1918 penny. That would be interesting. It's probably a penny, so there's probably no chance. I mean, I was gonna give some type of calculation that was better than that, but then I just thought it's probably zinc. The rare 1918 zinc penny. After or during World War I don't know. The schools out here, man, they just didn't get there. Even if you went to a private school, it wasn't gonna get you there. None of them taught anything. They just like private schools just kept you from like getting shot until like after 3:30. All right, that's a nail. That is a nail. Another nail. Another nail. Yeah. Not what I wanted at all. How about a ring? Let's, if I get a gold ring right now, I'll just quit. I'll quit on a gold ring right now. 2019. Everything but a zinc penny. It's some type of malt liquor cap, I believe. It could have been could be something. Was it a Mickey's? I don't know. Some type of big malt liquor. Maybe, probably. It's a good chance it's a Mickey's. Could have been a little grenade. What? A grenade? That's gonna be sharp on the inside, most likely. We got it. That wasn't a ring. All right, I'll stop when I get a gold ring. Yeah, it's gotta be gold. No fake ones or silver. We're going gold. We're going gold. Go for the gold or go home, right? You know, it's America. Yeah, let's get it. Oh, the battery's almost dead here. Not much left. We need the gold ring right now. No, nothing. Oh, we got a condom wrapper. Or no, is it? I think it is. We got it. Condom wrapper. That's not gold. Oh wait, we did find gold. Yes, Modelo. Cerveza Modelo 1925 Especial Cerveza Modelo Mexico. It's gold. It's actually real gold. It's actually 24 karat gold. 28.33. I had to check like a couple times there because I don't believe it. It's just one of those times. It's one of those days here today with the readings. It's saying quarter and it's not having quarter. Let's get a quarter. Let's get something. Let's get up and down again. $36.39. Another half dollar. A dollar, maybe a whole dollar. Maybe someone buried something right near that rock, or maybe it's just some random piece of metal. Who knows? It's not showing up yet. $39. It's sure. It's sure of it. Take a chunk out. Go big or go home, or go big and then go home. And this is the game we're playing. $36, $39, $37. Did I find something? Or is that a tree? Oh, I think it's a, I thought I moved something for a second. I thought I did, but I don't know. Who knows what's really going on? Except when you get dirt to the face, you know what's going on. You get dirt to the face, you know. What? Oh, I thought that was number 463. I thought that was a big coin. A Bitcoin? Yes, $463. I mean $463 million in Bitcoin. I just found it. One of those tree tags. I don't know which one it goes to or when. It probably doesn't go to any of them. It probably went to one that went right here. That is not a coin. Not a coin. I repeat, not a coin. I thought it was a whole dollar there. There's more there. Is there like a whole archive of trees buried here, like the history? Maybe we'll get number 400 and 60 or something. Okay, but it is a mystery and it is interesting. So we're gonna check this out until we can find out more about it. Right now, maybe. Let's just move some stuff then. We're gonna have to move some dirt. At least we can dig here. There's a wrapper. That might be good. That wasn't setting it off. I feel like that should have got us down somewhere. Maybe the whole rock has a brace underneath it or something. You know, I don't know. I didn't want to do that, but you guys saw it. You guys saw it. It provoked me. That's a big rock. This is how the world moves around. You know, sometimes it's water that erodes stuff, sometimes it's metal detectorists. We got something. What's it gonna be? Still wants me to keep going, huh? I feel like I keep almost getting down there. And then it says no. Not close enough yet, huh? We're just digging big holes here. I'd stop digging if it stopped beeping. It won't. It won't stop beeping. Nah, that's too weak. A little nail, that's way too weak. That can't be it. I refuse to accept that as the answer. Come on. Somewhere there's something down here. It's probably like a can or something. Okay, maybe we're getting closer. That, one of those bendy things. It's a piece of metal. But it can't be that metal. We have to keep going here. Somewhere there is a somewhere, I don't know. I don't know anymore. I feel like there might be a pipe or something. But at least we keep finding nails and we're digging a big hole. That's pretty cool, right? Yeah, those are rocks. Good. Those rocks. This rock thought it was going to stop me. I know I heard I was getting close. Oh, not another one of these. Come on. Well, that might be almost it. Yeah, we cleaned. Yeah, you ain't making no noise no more. Oh, come on. I think those were it. That almost makes me not even want to put the hole back. No, I'm just kidding. All right, we did it. I don't know if we're filming still. Are we? Yeah. Why we juiced about that? I don't know. I ain't find nothing. I kind of want to just keep metal detecting. Looks like it's about to rain more. Well, guess no ring, huh? I should go. I was gonna say I should go try over near this concession stand thing, but I don't really want to. I stepped out for 1 second, I started getting wet. I think I'll stick underneath these trees till the battery dies. Oh yeah, that rain's coming down. All right, here we go with the wrap up from in front of Lake Temescal when it was windy and raining. Not bad. We got a key spill. I guess you'd call that a key spill. It's on one chain, so I mean on one ring, so I don't know. Does a key spill have to be separate? I don't know. I don't think so. There's a couple on here that say do not duplicate. That's pretty cool. Maybe we can find where they're at. There's a Brinks lock here. I tried the one key that looked like it would work in it. It fit it, but it didn't turn it. Maybe because it's super rusty, or maybe because it's not the right lock and key. Fits, but no. All right, now come back out. There's that. All right, we got a piece of jewelry. Earring, I think so. I'm not seeing any markings anywhere on it, so I'll just call it fake, but still cool. All right, bolt, yes. Bracket piece, yes. Oh yeah, I forgot. We got this coin. It's a foreign coin. It's a Greek coin, and it's a 2 drachma. I think I said that correctly. From 1986. And there's like some rifles on the back or something. So there, that is no nickel, a few pennies, a dime, quarter. Vermont. Hey, did I find a quarter? Because this might be that lost quarter. Because I know it was a Vermont quarter. Uh-oh, did we find the quarter? That I lost a couple. It was actually that same day. Tree tag number 463. Spree ginger ale. No longer in service. I don't think they make that one anymore. Modelo. There's the gold. Red Cap VSOP. Or just VS. Mickey's. All that right there. That. Yeah, this. And that. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. Yeah, I think we found the quarter. Yeah. All right. I think that's it. See you on the next one. Peace.